Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English listening practice. Please sit comfortably. Take a deep breath. Relax your mind.
Hi, friends. This lesson is for beginners. This lesson is for daily listening. You don't need to speak now.
Just listen carefully. Listen to every word. It is okay if you don't understand everything.
Understanding comes with time. Listening every day helps a lot. Your English will improve slowly.
I wake up early in the morning. The sun is bright. The day is fresh. I brush my teeth slowly. I wash my face. I feel clean and active.
I take a shower. The water is warm. It feels relaxing. I eat breakfast at home. I eat simple food. I drink tea calmly. I get ready for work. I wear clean clothes. I feel confident.
I go outside. The air feels fresh. I like the morning time. I walk slowly. I look around. I feel peaceful.
I like my daily routine. It gives me energy. It makes me happy. My day starts well. I feel positive. I am ready for the day.
2 to 3 second pause for listening. Part 2. At home conversation. I am at home now. My home is quiet. I feel comfortable here. My home is clean. Everything is in place. I like a clean space.
I sit on the sofa. I relax my body. I take a short rest. I watch television. The sound is low. The program is interesting.
I help my family. I clean my room slowly. I arrange my things. Helping feels good. It makes me responsible. I feel useful.
My family is very important to me. We talk together daily. We share our thoughts. We eat together. We laugh together. Family time is special.
Slow pause for understanding. Part 3. Talking about yourself. My name is Sarah. I am learning English every day. I listen carefully. I practice daily. I practice slowly. I enjoy learning. English is not difficult. It just needs time. Practice makes you better.
My name is Ibrahim. I also learn English. I like simple English. I speak slowly. I listen more. I learn step by step.
I am improving day by day. I understand more now. I feel confident. I am not perfect, but I keep learning. That is important.
I make mistakes sometimes. Mistakes are normal. Everyone makes mistakes. But I don't stop. I keep learning. I never give up.
I am walking now. I am listening carefully. I am learning English. I am watching this video. I am focused. I am calm.
I am speaking slowly. I am feeling confident. I am relaxed. Learning feels good. Understanding feels good. Progress feels good.
I am sitting comfortably. I am enjoying this lesson. I feel peaceful. I am learning new words. I am understanding sentences. I feel happy.
You are doing great. You are learning slowly. You are improving every day. Take your time. Go step by step. No pressure.
Where are you right now? I am at home. Where are you sitting? I am sitting comfortably.
What are you doing? I am listening to English. What are you learning? I am learning basic English.
Do you like English? Yes, I like English. Do you practice daily? Yes, I practice daily.
Is English easy? Yes, English is easy. Is slow learning helpful? Yes, slow learning is helpful.
Don't be afraid of English. Fear stops learning. Confidence helps learning. Learning takes time. Go slowly. Enjoy the process.
Listen every day. Even 10 minutes is enough. Consistency is important. Speak every day. Even simple sentences. Practice builds confidence.
Your listening will improve. Your speaking will improve. Your confidence will grow.
Believe in yourself. You can do this. You are capable.
This was Slow English Listening Practice. Thank you for your time.
Listen again if you want. Repeating helps learning.
Daily listening builds confidence. Small steps bring big results.
Thank you for listening patiently.
See you in the next lesson.
Keep learning English. Keep growing every day.